So hey friends, it's road trip time. Not sure where we're going yet, but stay tuned and we'll find out together.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Alright, so we are heading east and we're almost to Arkansas. We're in a little town called New Boston and we're going to stop for lunch real quick at one of our favorite restaurants. It's called the Fine Pit Grill. What's not to love about that? Well, dang it, we went in and ate and I forgot to take a picture of my lunch. Anyway, it was really yummy. But we're gonna hit the road and head on eastward. Please forgive the dirty windshield, but we're almost at our camping spot for tonight. It's a place called Willow Beach Recreation Area, just outside of Little Rock. Alright, let's check in. Well, that was an easy breezy check-in for sure. That guy was really nice. You have to have reservations to stay here. You can't just pull up and get a site, so you have to go through online or call. So I'd made a reservation a couple days ago. All was well. No problems. All right, this is cute. Very nice. A little sludgy, but how cute. All right. Looking for campsite F20. Said you'll see a camper, so I guess that's a camper, and he said to take a right. Okay, easy enough. I think there's only like 25 campsites in this park, so not a big place. All right, when we get settled, I'll show you our campsite. Alright, well, I'm going to plop my butt right there in that chair and see if we can bird watch for a little while. You like to bird watch, don't you, Roo?
Yeah, this is red-winged blackbird.
Yep.
Cool.
Look at you, bird
Look at me.
identification. Master. All these big fancy RVs and us in our vans. What abs?